The practice is believed to have been established thousands of years ago by the ancient sages and seers of India, who were deeply attuned to the rhythms of nature and sought ways to harmonize human existence with the cosmic forces. Agnihotra is not merely a physical ritual but a profound spiritual practice aimed at fostering a deep connection between the individual, the environment, and the divine. It is considered a sacred offering to Agni, the Vedic god of fire, symbolizing the cosmic cycle of creation and sustenance. By performing Agnihotra, individuals seek to align themselves with higher spiritual energies and invoke blessings for themselves and the world. The fire generated during Agnihotra is believed to possess purifying properties, both at the physical and metaphysical levels. It is said to cleanse the atmosphere of negative energies and impurities, promoting physical health, mental clarity, and spiritual well being. Agnihotra is intricately linked to the natural cycles of the sun, with offerings made precisely at sunrise and sunset. By aligning human activity with these cosmic rhythms, practitioners seek to harmonize their lives with the broader cycles of nature, fostering ecological balance and sustainability. The smoke produced by the Agnihotra fire is believed to have therapeutic properties, purifying the air and infusing it with beneficial energies. Some proponents claim that regular practice can alleviate various ailments and promote overall vitality and rejuvenation. It is said to cleanse the atmosphere of negative energies, pollutants, and harmful microbes, promoting overall health and vitality. This purification extends not only to the external environment but also to the mind and soul of the practitioner. Throughout history, Agnihotra has been passed down through generations as a sacred tradition, preserving ancient wisdom and cultural heritage. Despite the passage of time and changing societal norms, the practice continues to endure as a symbol of reverence for the natural world and devotion to the divine. Agnihotra emphasizes reverence for nature and the elements. By performing the ritual with mindfulness and sincerity, individuals cultivate a deeper appreciation for the earth and its ecosystems. This awareness encourages responsible stewardship of the environment and fosters a sense of interconnectedness with all living beings. Agnihotra fire technology holds profound significance as a spiritual practice, a means of purification, a way of harmonizing with nature, and a link to ancient cultural traditions. Its origins in Vedic scriptures attest to its enduring relevance and its potential to inspire individuals seeking deeper connections to themselves, their surroundings, and the cosmos. Get ready to light that fire and experience the magic yourself.